Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we embark on a journey into the realms of artificial intelligence, AI, and its perplexing duality in the context of warfare and peace. Buckle up, for this isn't your average tech talk. We're diving into the trenches and soaring to diplomatic heights, all while keeping our wits and intellects sharpened. This exploration promises to be as entertaining as it is enlightening. The dawn of AI warfare, a hyperwar scenario. Picture this. The year is 2035. On a battlefield where human soldiers are scarce, swarms of AI-powered drones zip through the air, each one acting independently yet in perfect harmony with the others. This is no science fiction. It's the concept of hyperwar, where AI technologies outpace human decision-making, creating a scenario both thrilling and terrifying. Hyperwar is characterized by the use of AI to enhance the speed and precision of military operations. AI-driven systems can execute commands and coordinate tactics faster than any human ever could. In this world, the old military formations give way to fluid, swarm-like tactics where hundreds or even thousands of units move autonomously yet cohesively, much like a flock of birds or a team of synchronized swimmers. The tactical advantages are undeniable. AI swarms can disperse to avoid enemy fire, reconvene to strike, and adapt to changing battlefield conditions in real time. Yet this same autonomy raises a haunting question. What happens when the reins slip from human hands? Imagine a scenario where AI systems driven by algorithms make split-second decisions in the heat of battle. Decisions that could escalate conflicts faster than any human chain of command could contain. The Skynet conundrum. Automation and nuclear command. Now let's ramp up the stakes. Enter the world of nuclear command and control. The potential for AI integration has both military strategists and peace advocates on edge. The Pentagon's Joint All-Domain Command and Control, JADC2, aims to link conventional and nuclear forces under a unified AI-driven system. The idea is to create a seamless flow of information and decision-making across all military domains, ensuring rapid and coordinated responses to any threat. Sounds efficient, right? But here's the rub. The same speed and automation that make JDC2 a tactical marvel also bring us dangerously close to scenarios where AI systems could inadvertently escalate conflicts to nuclear proportions. Imagine an AI misinterpreting a data anomaly as an imminent attack, triggering a chain reaction that leads to a nuclear exchange. It's the stuff of nightmares where algorithms decide the fate of nations before human leaders can even react. This isn't just speculation. Senior military officials have voiced their concerns about the immaturity of current AI technologies and the critical need for thorough testing and human oversight. The risk of hallucinations, AI making inexplicable and erroneous decisions, remains a significant hurdle. Thus, while the march toward AI-driven warfare continues, it does so under a cloud of caution and debate. The hopeful horizon, AI and conflict prevention. But let's not get lost in the dystopian fog. AI holds immense potential not just to wage wars, but to prevent them. Imagine a world where AI systems equipped with vast data analytics capabilities serve as global peacekeepers, predicting conflicts before they erupt and proposing solutions to diffuse tensions. Research is already underway to harness AI for conflict resolution. AI can analyze historical data, social media sentiments, economic indicators, and even climatic conditions to foresee disputes and offer early warnings. By providing a comprehensive and unbiased picture, AI can help mediators understand the root causes of conflicts and craft informed strategies for resolution. One promising application is in the realm of diplomacy. AI systems can assist in negotiations by ensuring transparency and reducing the asymmetry of information. Often, conflicts arise from misunderstandings and lack of communication. AI can bridge these gaps by presenting all parties with a clear, unbiased assessment of the situation, facilitating fairer and more effective negotiations. The ethical imperative, regulating AI in warfare. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The integration of AI into military and diplomatic spheres demands rigorous ethical considerations and robust regulatory frameworks. We must ensure that AI systems are designed and deployed in ways that uphold international laws and humanitarian principles. Experts suggest several measures to mitigate the risks associated with AI in warfare. First, maintaining human oversight in critical decision-making processes is paramount. AI should assist, not replace, human judgment, especially in scenarios involving life and death decisions. Second, transparency in AI algorithms and their decision-making processes is crucial to build trust and accountability. Third, international cooperation is essential to establish norms and agreements that prevent the misuse of AI technologies in conflicts. Conclusion: the balanced path forward. As we stand at the crossroads of AI's potential to both wage and prevent wars, the path we choose will define our future. The promise of AI in enhancing global security and preventing conflicts is tantalizing. Yet the perils of unchecked AI-driven warfare loom large. Our challenge lies in harnessing the power of AI responsibly, ensuring that it serves as a force for peace rather than a harbinger of destruction. In closing, let's embrace the hope that AI can indeed be a tool for peace. By fostering international collaboration, enforcing ethical standards, and maintaining vigilant human oversight, we can steer AI toward a future where it helps build bridges rather than barriers. The journey ahead is fraught with challenges, but with wisdom and foresight, we can navigate these uncharted waters and emerge into a more secure and peaceful world. So here's to a future where AI helps us resolve our differences before they escalate into conflicts, where algorithms serve the cause of peace, and where humanity remains at the helm, guiding our technological advancements towards a brighter, more harmonious world. Cheers to that! If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.